Hey folks, it's Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking at this 2015 Ford F-150. Does it have your interest? It does mine too. Stock number is 7170. Let's give you that virtual video walk around and show you the exterior, the interior, tell you some basic specifics of this truck. Take notice of the exterior condition. Does, of course, as you can see, has the FX4 off-road package. Gorgeous tunnel covering, tow package. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection, four-wheel drive, of course, backup camera, a clean Carfax history report, heated seats, leather seats, it's fully loaded. Maybe if you're traveling with friends or family, take notice of the interior rear. Ample legroom, very comfortable situation back here, as you can see. Dual moonroofs, fully loaded, power rear slider, running boards, as you can see. Make that power running boards, of course. And let's show you the interior driver's seat. All your controls are easy accessible within arm's length. This truck has just over 40,000 miles, super low miles. Oil changes for life, warranty protection for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.